Mingoy's October 4. Happy birthday to Daddy Bird. Present Alex,
And
Anton, Daddy, Bugs, Sophia, sino isa? Solo. What do you say?
The smell of your sweet fingers.
Solo, Ampi, and Sophia.
Thank you, Amanda.
Thanks, Amanda, for this thing. Thank you, Amanda, for all your clothes.
And Aaron, Bugs.
You got some also?
Aaron. Hi, Andre.
Wait,
Adrian.
come on.
Shell. Alex.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
And Daddy. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers.
Yes, Adrian.
Is that Red Horse? Huh? Is that Red Horse?
It's water.
It's beer.
Water.
Beer, vodka.
Nice.
We're at Mingoy's.